In today's video, we'll show you how to make an instant soothing honey mask for cold relief. Let's get started. Step 1. Begin by pouring 1 tablespoon of raw, organic honey into a small bowl. Step 2. Next, add a pinch of cinnamon powder to the honey. Cinnamon has anti-inflammatory properties and can help ease cold symptoms. Step 3. Now squeeze half a lemon into the mixture. Lemon is rich in vitamin C and helps boost your immune system. Step 4. Mix all the ingredients together until you have a smooth and creamy consistency. Step 5. Using clean fingertips or a brush, apply the honey mask generously to your face. Avoid the eye area. Step 6. Leave the mask on for about 15 minutes to allow the natural ingredients to work their magic. Step 7. After 15 minutes, rinse off the mask with warm water. Pat your skin dry with a soft towel. Step 8. Feel the soothing and nourishing effects of the honey mask on your skin. Your cold symptoms should also start to feel relieved. And that's it. An instant soothing honey mask to help alleviate cold symptoms. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more natural remedies and beauty tips. Stay healthy and see you next time.